Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off after the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get puppies, you get PA weather, and mayhem. Yes. And you get clothes and a little bit of life in there. I'm trying to work on a video I started. This is what Loki's doing, eating the paper now. He loves paper. He's like a mouse. He wants to shred all the paper. He's too funny. All right, so I'm Laura if you're new. As I mentioned, this is Loki. We do have, let's see, Dexter the Beagle and Willie the Jack Russell, and I have been mixing these names up for some reason I noticed in my videos, so we also have RV the kitty. He's the only one I get right half the time. There's too many dogs, but they're starting to grow up. Their personalities are really starting to come out, and yeah, it's fun to see them grow. Let's see, so it's a warmer day out. It's 45, getting up to 60, but it's been all the seasons. So welcome to PA. We get summer at one point, we'll have winter, we'll have fall, we'll have spring, all the seasons in one day, and that's what today kind of feels like. So right now it is 45 degrees. I think the high of 60 was probably this morning. And for my outfit today, I have a fun one. I have on a pair of denim from Cut from the Cloth that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, paired with a sweater that is by Cabi that I am in love with. It's not this year, but it is awesome. My belt is from the Loft, and then my shoes, which are amazing, are for a video I've been working on today, but check out those high boots from Cosy Island. Are they not fabulous, right? They are fabulous. They are comfy. Check out the bottom. There's slip on, they get on so easy, you just pull them right on. They're amazing. So you're going to see them in an upcoming video for a really fun Black Friday unboxing I've got for you. And I have a topper. How about this cute little vest, fur vest from the Loft? So adorable. And that's my outfit as we kick off the week. Loki and I got to get busy. Hope your week starts off awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. The sun is shining, but it's not that warm out. 37, getting up to 44. You can see the sun coming out right now. It wasn't here when I first sat down, so it's trying to come out, but it is a little cloudy out today. My Trendsend posted. How good was my Trendsend? Again, Camelia does an amazing job. It's like she's been styling me my whole life, but she hasn't. She's my newest stylist. I think she's been... It's at least a year. And I got 15 items. I wanted to keep it all, but I didn't. I ended up keeping 12. I sent back the jeans I already owned. Fabulous. Like, grabbed them. They're so fun. I sent back the lace top. I really liked it, but it had a deep V. It was a little hard for me to get on, so meaning it was more form-fitting. And I thought my wearability was, you know, limited just because of the deep V, so more date night kind of thing. So I didn't keep it, but I thought it was beautiful. And then I did not keep that scarf, even though I loved how well it matched everything. I just felt like I was never going to grab for that, and it just would be overwhelming on me if I did keep it. But I kept everything else because it was all fabulous. It was fabulous. I love my Transcendent boxes. And for today's outfit, I have on a pair of Madewell denim that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, paired back to a Loft long sleeve tee, an RD style cardigan that I got in a Wantable. And for shoes, how about these fun shoes? They're by Linea Paola. I think I got those during the Nordstrom anniversary sale too. The copper's fun, right? For jewelry, I have on the same necklaces as I did yesterday, my bracelet stack, and I'm ready for the day. All right, I got to get to work. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. Willie's wants to be a part of the clip today, don't you? Usually you don't, huh? He's such a silly dog. It's a very dark day. Like, it's late in the day, like after 3:30 when I'm finally getting to this, and the clouds, rain, just dark outside. Like, it feels very dark outside. Come on, Loke. You can come up here too. And let's see. And it's chilly out. So it is 43 degrees outside. For my outfit today, I got dressed in a hurry. I have all Cabi on, so Cabi jeans, Cabi sweater. This is the fun one with the little gold on the side, Cabi belt, all Cabi. And then for shoes, I put on these again. You've seen them already. I love these. These are Dolce Vita. Got them in a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I have on a Rocksbox necklace, my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack, and that's my day. All right, so we're going to get back to work, aren't we, silly dog? We're going to get back to work. Hope your week has gone well. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It's the end of the day, so it's already dark outside. 44 degrees today, so it wasn't too terrible outside. It wasn't warm, but it wasn't cold. Just Dexter joining me right now. What are you doing, Dex? Loki is outside guarding our grounds, so just barking at anyone or anything at the moment, and I don't know where Willie is, but I can tell you I brought Dexter in and I have some fresh holes dug up in my yard, I see. So this is what he does when he's outside. My Cosy Island video posted today. I had so much fun with that video, and I also posted a cute little short. I hope you check them both out. The Cosy Island shoes are so good. If you haven't tried them, you really need to. They are fabulous, and they have all their Black Friday deals going on, so check it out. Check out my video. Easy on, easy off. They have the grippers at the bottom. There's just, every time I wear them, I get so many compliments, so I hope you check them out. And for my outfit today, I have on Mica denim from Wantable, paired with just a t-shirt from, and this is a short sleeve t-shirt from Z Supply. Back whenever it was, you know, spend so much money, get a free t-shirt. I think that's what this was from in the spring. And then paired it with this cardigan that I'm in love with from the Loft. I just shared one of my recent hauls. For my shoes, I did, and Dexter's now getting everything all dirty, so you must have been scooping up dirt, huh? You must have been scooping up dirt. My shoes are from Treasure and Bond. And I got these a long time ago in a trunk club. I still miss Nordstrom's trunk club. Love that subscription box. I have on a belt from Evereve. And then I have on my Rocksbox necklace. And no, I have on a Curator necklace. Yeah, my most recent Curator necklace. This one's super cute. That's my outfit today. What do you think, Dex? Huh? What do you think? I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday, I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's Thursday. This week, man. It is so foggy out today. It's already around after lunchtime, and there is no sun. We have none. It is all gray clouds, gray skies, lots of fog, wet, like it's damp but not raining, so it's weird. It must have rained at some point, but not a really pretty day today. For my outfit, I have on Cabi pants. I have on a sweater that I got in a Wantable. Loft belt. For shoes, how about these? They're super fun. I love these. These are also Dolce Vita, which you know are my favorite. I love the hardware on here. I got these at the same time as the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but they weren't on sale. But I really love them. I love those. For jewelry, I just have on my bracelet stack and my Rocksbox necklace, and that's my outfit. I did grab my little fur vest again from the Loft to put on if I run out. Okay, we got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody, it is Friday. We made it. Time for outfit of the day. Unlike yesterday, I'm getting to this earlier, so 11 a.m. before lunchtime. Loki and Dexter are here, and they're causing all kinds of chaos as usual. I'm trying to keep them off of me because I'm wearing black today. I have a networking event tonight that I need to go to. It's in a casual setting, but I'm trying not to have dog hair all over me. I'll have to, yeah, we'll have to brush it all off before I go. But anyway, Loki doesn't usually get dog hair on me, but the other two do. In fact, Willie's probably the worst. He's with my son right now. So it is a rainy, foggy day again, 45 degrees. It's only getting up to 49, low 38 today. So yeah, the summer, there's no sign of summer whatsoever. We haven't had sun for the entire week. So yeah, it's crazy. For my Friday Funny today, I just have a picture for you. So Willie puts multiple toys in his mouth at once so no one else can have the toys. And then he takes them over and tries to get Loki. Loki's not as interested, but Dexter will try to take the toys from him, and that's how he plays. And he growls at him and gets all worked up, doesn't want him to have them. But in this picture, you can see he's got several toys stuffed into his mouth, and we're always wondering how he can hold all that. He's so silly. And just when you think he can't fit anymore, he'll add another toy. So he's funny. All right, for my outfit today, as I mentioned, it's a casual event. It's actually at a hockey game. So I put on all black. I have on a black Evereve top with the thumb holes. It's going to be a little chilly. Plus, it'll be in an ice rink. I have on a pair cut from the cloth. This is from a Trendsend. It's Evereve. The pants are cut from the cloth, and they're from a Stitch Fix. My jacket, I think I'm gonna do this one. It's 11 and I'm not leaving here until like 4:30, so I could change my mind. But this one is by Steve Madden. I got it in a Wantable. And my belt is Loft. My shoes are Vince Camuto. I went with a blocky. I know it's not, I was trying to dress up a little bit because it's going to be a little bougie. So I was trying to go with a sporty theme-ish, but dressed up. Kind of look I'm going for. I didn't have any cool game, like, you know, team long sleeve shirts to wear, so I failed on that. I knew this was coming up and I should have got something, but I didn't. So we're going to go all black. We're going to go all black. For jewelry, I have on the necklace I've been wearing all week that I found from Rocksbox. I'm really enjoying. I didn't put a bracelet stack on since I'm covering my wrists, and we're off. I curled my hair today for something different. I don't know, you've been noticed I've been trying all kinds of things. Let me know if you have an idea of how I should style it. I'm trying like the beachy waves. I'm trying the traditional curls. I'm trying to figure out which tools are going to work best, how I want to wear it, how much energy I want to put in right every day. So decided to curl it today. And that's a wrap on Friday. We're going to get going. I got to get back to work. I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. Dexter and Loki are joining me. They got up early. I am off to run some errands, go to the mall with my friend. She has some stuff to pick up for a baby shower tomorrow we're going to, so we're going to go do that. And my Stitch Fix posted today. I told you, Stitch Fix has been getting so good. I love the jackets, coats that she sent me, but I didn't think they were quite right. So the Bagatelle long line jacket, I thought I'm a little too short for. It seemed really long on me. And the faux fur coat with the leather striping, I didn't really love it. I felt bumblebee-ish. Bumblebee-ish? Is that a word? So I didn't end up keeping either of those. I did keep the brown booty, fabulous. I did keep the belt, right? That belt is so fun. I kept the cut from the cloth, brown denim, the coated, loved it. Kept the Z Supply sweater and the 2-pack of the Market and Spruce tees because I can always use some basic tees to wear underneath everything. So I did end up keeping 5 to get the 25% off. So it worked out pretty well. The dogs sometimes make me nervous when they're sniffing too much, so Dexter looks to be safe at the moment. And for today's outfit, I have on a Evereve outfit. So I think I got all of these pieces in a Transcend. The denim is by Evereve. The sweater is by Evereve. The little vest is by Evereve. My belt is actually Loft. My shoes are Jeffrey Campbell. Love these. It's going to be a high of like 48 today. It's not overly warm, but inside, outside, sometimes it's hard to regulate my temperature. So I'm trying to wear things that hopefully I won't be too cold, but I won't be too warm either. We'll see how it goes. For jewelry, I have on my Louis necklace. I have on my bracelet stack. We're ready to go. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. What did you guys think? Was it a good week? So I'll list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course all the box links are down below as well. If you decide to give them a try, I would so appreciate it if you would click one of my links. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next week. Bye-bye.